I ordered some products for my birthday from Sephora. They had a huge sale and I ordered a lot of Sephora items, these products, all these products to try out and this tutorial. I don't know why I'm breathing so hard. I'm so excited. And samples that I'm gonna use. Got that JLo serum. Let's get started. I'm not gonna use the JLo Beauty serum because I really need to look into the ingredients so that it doesn't interact with my current skincare routine. But I'm sure this is fine. I just want to be very, very sure. I'm going to apply the Ulta Beauty mattifying face primer. It's paraben-free, oil-free, and it controls shines and blurs pores. Oh, okay. Apply it on my T-zone because that's where I get a lot of oil. This is a Sephora Bright Future Gel Concealer. And wow. That is super pigmented. And I don't think this is the correct shade for me. This is in the shade Butterscotch, but I'm gonna apply another concealer on top because I'm curious of the other one. I'm holding it already. Let's see how it blends. Actually, now that I'm blending it, this is the perfect shade for me. I usually go lighter under my eyes, but I think I need to tone it down. Wow, I like that. I also have the Sephora Make No Mistake High Coverage Concealer in the shade 6, number 6. Let's see how this looks. Ooh, that's pretty light, babe. Oh, wow. It reminds me of the consistency of the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. It reminds me of that consistency, and it's one of my favorite concealers. I've been using it for years. I might replace it with this. Whoa, baby girl. Well, this side is with the gel serum concealer, and this side is with the high coverage concealer. I'm definitely gonna go for the high coverage concealer because I'm going to a nighttime event. And this is more of a daytime concealer, for sure. I'm applying the Make No Mistake concealer on the center of my face because I'm just gonna apply a light application of makeup. I'm not gonna go so deep into the highlight and the cream highlight and the cream contour. I'm just gonna keep everything nice and simple. And I'm gonna set this with the L'Oreal True Matte in the shade W6 using a crown brush. It's a large fluffy brush. This is the Spice Market Blush Palette by Sephora. I'm excited. Ooh. Yes. I said I wasn't gonna do cream highlight and contour, but I never said I wasn't gonna do powder highlight and contour. I feel like I'm gonna be using this shade to contour a little bit, and I'm gonna combine these two for my blush with a lighter pink on top because I'm wearing red. Applying the contour shade with my crown brush. I'm gonna see how this formula works on top of powder. This palette pulls very warm. This side has the contour and this side doesn't. You see the difference? It's warm. I like it. I'm olive skin tone, so a warmer contour suits me well. If you're olive skin tone, then this palette is for you. Combining these two shades together, apply it on the cheeks, and they look very nice. Wow, I quite like that. This is a nice background color for the shade that I'm going to apply, which is that bright pink. I'm going to apply the Lorac Pro blush just to get that soft pink effect, and then I'm going to layer another pink on top of this. Using the Morphe blush palette, there's a nice selection of pink shades, so I'm gonna mix all of these shades together. It's Driven, Hot, Queen, Free, and It Girl. I'm going to combine them and apply it on my cheeks. Applying the Pixie by Petra blush and peach parfait on top. The Morphe highlight palette, Galactic, Trance, and Aurora. Yes. I just looked at my Juvia's Place Saharan Blush palette. Should I? I think so. Un poquito. Un poquito, un poquito, un poquito. Un poquito. Un poquito. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Balm Matte Ador. I'm gonna dip into the Makeup Revolution Maxi Reloaded palette. Sephora Brow Shaper Pencil Waterproof in the shade Nutmeg Brown. Nice. I like that. Look. Wow. Impressive. This is the Sephora Ultimate Gel Eyeliner, and this is waterproof, and this is in the color Matte Black. Ooh. Ooh, it glides on like butter. I can create a wing liner with this. The long-lasting kohl pencil in deep brown. This is waterproof. Nice. Setting my face with Lancome Fix It and Forget It. Ooh, my naturally curly girls understand that we gotta cover our hair. Come in. Mascara. This is the matte lipstick from Sephora. Crip in number 4. Love it. Ooh, I really like the Sephora brand. What do you think? Sephora Colorful Gloss Balm in the shade 21. Nude Attitude. Ooh, I like it. Thank you for watching.